Moving on. Excessive bells today. So I want to talk about AI software. Artificial intelligence, that is, for those who don't know what AI means. So first and foremost, what is it? What is AI? It's computer programming that mimics human behavior. At this point, we're pretty much living in the future because whether you know it or not, a lot of things that you use or may not notice you're using is considered AI type of software. So I'm gonna tell you the 4 types of software, and then we're gonna get into some examples as well. The first one is just AI platforms. So this is where the shit is made from scratch. You'll probably never hear about that. Then you got chatbots. Chatbots is essentially what it is. It's a chat box, and you talk to it, and it talks back to you. I'll give you some examples to how you would use it. Believe it or not, that's a thing. If you haven't, look up Chat GFT or PFT, whichever ones. Then you have deep learning. Deep learning is more of like for like speech recognition and image recognition. We use this too. If you got a smartphone and you go and you put your face up to it and it unlocks, ding, that's AI software. We'll get into that too. The last one is machine learning. This is when a computer application learns in order to provide data specifically for you. So let me give you some examples. So let's just say you online shopping, right? You're online shopping, and next thing you might be looking on your phone. Let's say you're looking on your phone. Say you're on Amazon, and you looking at, I don't know, maybe some toiletries for the house. Damn, toilet paper cheap on Amazon, so let me look on there. Next thing you know, you be like, damn, I could use some deodorant too. Now, if you don't have this shit turned off on your phone, you might want to turn it off. It's ad tracking. So what happens is your microphone is enabled. When you get it, all this shit is enabled, unless you got to manually go in and turn it off. You'll go in there and start saying, I need these extra 2 items that I mentioned, but it's not in my cart. So next thing, you may go to log on Facebook, bestbuy.com or walmart.com, and right on the side, you're going to see ads for deodorant, ads for cologne, ads for whatever it is that you was talking about, because you have this enabled. And they use that, it's ad tracking, so it's used to get you to buy more stuff. So they know, shit, this is what you're looking for. We got it on Amazon. We got the ad tracking going. We heard you say it. Don't say you don't need it. We heard you say it. So now, boom, it's right there. Next thing you know, you're going to keep seeing it until that shit going to end up in the fucking cart, bro. So that's just one form. I'll give you another one. We can still use online tracking. I buy a lot of bike parts, motorcycle parts, shit like that. So when I'm online and I'm looking at something, if I'm curious to if this part is specific, or is this the only thing that comes in the packaging, or just want more information, you'll see that little box on the right that says chat, and you'll click there and it'll say, hey, how may I help you? You'll say, I'm interested in part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's for this bike, this year bike, this color. This is these spark plugs. So you sitting there talking, and the chat box is giving you all this information. That is AI. That's not a person. That is a computer-generated program that is programmed to be able to answer any question that you need answered pertaining to the website that's selling shit. Yeah, this is cool, right? This is something we can use. I'm going to name a couple of household names that you may not have thought was AI software. Google Cloud, Azure, that's a IT thing. Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Yes, when you asking, hey, Alexa, what's this? Or you saying, hey, Siri, or hey, Google, all of that shit is AI. It's an AI program that's meant to talk to you and give you the information that you want to ask, or tell you a fucking joke, or tell you the weather, book appointments for you, or remind you. All of that shit is AI stuff, bruh. So I'm going to mention a few more AI things. Now, this is more pertaining to podcasting or even content creators. Chat GPT. What does it do? You ask it anything. It's faster than Google. Jasper AI. It says, write anything down, it's going to help. You got another one called Synthesis. This is to create a talking avatar. So your face, but the mouth is moving. You got Repurpose.io. This is to automate your social media. Jenny AI. This is for writing essays. You got Grammarly. You got Quillbot to rewrite everything. And then you got Mail Mentor. So this is to help you write sales emails. Listen, this is just the tip of the iceberg of just a handful of AI programs that I mentioned. There are so many more. Whatever you're doing right now, there is most likely an AI program that's out there that's going to help you and that's going to cut your workload in half.